It's 2025. If your browser still don't have its own free built-in AI, free one-click VPN, next-level split screen, intelligent tab management, and customization, then you are missing out. No need to pay for these things when Opera has it all for free. I have to be honest, I didn't know much about the browsing space until I was invited to Portugal by Opera, and I can't believe how much I've been missing out on the fun. Here's why I switched to Opera as my main browser for 2025 and beyond. It's been a couple of months of usage, and here are some of my favorite features. Let's start with the biggest game changer feature, which is the built-in Aria AI. It's 2025. Having AI on your fingertips is a must, which is why you can easily open Aria AI anywhere, anytime by just hitting Command+/ on your keyboard. From there, you can ask Aria whatever you want. For example, if I'm working on some doc file, I can quickly open this command line and instantly ask AI whatever question I have on my mind. Plus, it also has page awareness, so I can ask it to summarize a web page for me instantly or ask about something specific I'm looking on the screen. Now, Aria AI can also generate images, which can be pretty fun, especially if you're a content creator like me, or if you just want nice wallpapers, you can definitely take advantage of this. And I have to say, images come out pretty crispy. It also has image recognition, which can help you find more info about a place or a product. Now, next up, we have the combination of free built-in VPN and free ad blocker. Yes, there's a built-in free VPN, which is no log, like it's literally press and play. It even lets you change the region, so it's pretty much a VPN, no need for third-party service. What's even more helpful is the built-in ad blocker, so thanks to that, the performance of my browsing experience has been improved quite a bit. Having this ad blocker can actually give you a much cleaner experience. Next up is also one of my favorite features, and it's also very powerful. It's called split screen. For this, I simply drag a tab down and then it automatically gives me this UI to place the tab anywhere, either left or right. That's it. I can comfortably use two pages at the same time. For example, if I'm writing a document file and I have to research on web, I can do all of that without any problem. It lets you resize windows, and you can also exit this with just a press of a button. Moving on to Tab Island. This has been a game changer for me because I opened so many tabs on my browser regarding tech or something else that I'm looking at, and being able to easily group them in this tab island is absolute game changer. So for that, all you have to do is double click and select new tab in island. From there on, Opera will organize them together cleanly. And finally, we have this extremely useful sidebar. The reason why I love this so much is that I don't have to open my social media in a separate tab anymore. With sidebar, I can quickly access my social media, for example, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. I also get access to my music with the click of a button and this very useful floating player. I can pretty much move this around across the web page, easily change the music without any interruption. And last but not the least, the Opera browser is very customizable, like the whole implementation is cleanly done. You get loads of built-in wallpapers to choose from that you can customize in various ways, or you can choose your own image, for example, something that you can generate from Aria AI and set that as your wallpaper. So overall, in my personal usage, Opera browser has been pretty solid, especially I find the AI to be very useful, and most importantly, having free built-in VPN, no log on anything, you turn it on with just one click. With all the features I've experienced, it's probably the most complete browsing experience that you can have in 2025. Definitely check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.